Hello everyone, welcome back to the $100 Bitcoin Challenge. This is where I invest $100 into Bitcoin every last Friday of the month for the next 5 years, no matter what the market is doing. The goal is simple: consistency and discipline through dollar cost averaging. Today marks month 4 of the challenge. So far, we've invested about $300 into Bitcoin. So let's do a quick portfolio update. So the platform I've been using is called NDAX. NDAX is one of the top Canadian crypto exchanges. You can use any crypto exchange of your choice, whether it's Binance, KuCoin, Coinbase, Bitfinex. There are so many crypto exchanges that you can use. But for the purpose of this educational tutorial, I'm going to be using NDAX. If you'd like to open an NDAX account, the link is in the description area below. And if you use my referral link, you and I were going to get $15 each deposited into our NDAX account, provided you deposit at least $100 into your NDAX account. So I'm already logged into my NDAX account. And right here on the upper right, you can see my wallet. So I'm going to click on my wallet. And right here is my wallet, and you can see my portfolio value. But I'm going to click on my dashboard. Okay, go under my wallet and scroll down a little bit. You can see the value of the Bitcoin that I have. So far, I've invested $300, and today Bitcoin cryptocurrency in general is down. So the value of my Bitcoin so far is around $289.40. Okay. So today we're going to be investing another $100 into Bitcoin. Remember, the goal is to ignore any short-term volatility, because again, my goal is to do this for the next 5 years and demonstrate the power of dollar cost averaging. Right here in my wallet, you can see that I have about $100 Canadian. So this is what I'm going to be investing into the market again today. As of today, the value of my public Bitcoin portfolio is around $289. So that means that we're down just a little bit, and that is okay, because remember, these are actually opportunities for long-term investors. And right now, Bitcoin is trading around $109. Okay, so how do I know that? I'm going to go here to my dashboard, and I can even go on the trade. Let's just search for Bitcoin right here. So Bitcoin right here is around 153,000 Canadian dollars, which is around $109,000 American. Okay, so but right now, Bitcoin is trading around 109, which is down from the recent all-time highs. Some people see this as something very scary, but for us as long-term investors, this is a perfect chance to keep building our portfolio at a discount. And this is the beauty of dollar cost averaging. We don't worry about short-term price swings. We just stay consistent. All right, let's go ahead and make another $100 investment into Bitcoin today. And again, I'm going to be using NDAX, one of the top Canadian crypto exchanges. So I'm going to go back to my dashboard, and right here, I'm going to click on, again, it's already set to BTC Canadian, and I'm going to be investing $100 into this, and this is going to give me 0.0006 BTC. I'm going to click on buy, and I'm going to be buying market order, meaning I'm buying immediately. This is the order size. This is the current value of Bitcoin in Canadian dollars. I'm investing $100, and this is the index fee. I'm going to click on confirm. Boom, I just invested $100 into Bitcoin. And that's all that we literally need to do. So as of this month so far, if I go back to my wallet and look at the value, you can see that the value of the Bitcoin has moved up because we just invested another $100 into Bitcoin. This is month 4, and so far we've invested $400 as of right now, $400. So don't stress about the short-term dips. The goal here is to stay consistent long-term. And if you've been following me since I started this challenge, thanks for being part of the journey with me. And if you're new, make sure to check out episode 1, 2, 3. I'm going to link them in the description area below. And if you have any question, let me know in the comment area below. Let me know where you are watching from, and also what crypto exchange are you using. And before we wrap up today, as our portfolio gets sizable over time, we continue to build this portfolio. At some point, I'm going to start moving this to my personal hardware wallet. This is because any crypto exchange is just a platform to buy, sell, swap crypto. It's never a platform to hold your investment. Again, in crypto, we have a popular saying that not your keys, not your coins. So at some point in time, I'm going to be moving this to my hardware wallet, which is a better way to store our crypto long term. Okay, but I'm not going to be demonstrating that in today's video. Today, I just invested another $100 into Bitcoin. But in subsequent episode, I'm going to start moving Bitcoin into my personal hardware wallet. And the tool that I use is Ledger and Tangem. If you'd like to get any of those, I'm going to link them in the description area below. If you use any of my referral link, you're going to get $20 when you purchase using the referral link. Until then, I'm Blooming Umoren, your trusted money coach, and I'll see you next month. May the market be in our favor and may your profits go up and your stress go down. Bye-bye.